Hello guys, this video is about the CBT test of the question 6, which is the explanation of the questions. For me, I need to explain the questions 3. So for the question 3, there are number of southern Atlantic hurricanes follow a geometric distribution with mean equal to 6, and given a number of landfalls on the greatest east coast per hurricane. And the question asking for find the probability of 6 or more landfalls as a result of this hurricane in the next year. So for this question, first I let h be the number of southern Atlantic hurricane and m be the number of landfalls on the greatest east coast per hurricane. Because this is the geometric distributions, the geometric distribution of mean will be 1 minus p divided by p. And the question is given the mean is equal to 6, so we just substitute the 6 inside, then we can get p equal to 1 and 1 minus p. And the formula of probability for the geometric distribution is p multiplied with 1 minus p power of h. So we just substitute the p inside, we can get the probability of h, which is 0 until 5. Why until 5? Because the question is asking for the m greater or equal to 6, which is, we can let it be 1 minus probability of m lesser than 6. Probability of m lesser than 6, which is the probability of m equal to 1 plus probability of m equal to 2 plus until probability of m equal to 5. So we just find until 5 only. And this is the probability of m, which is the question given for. So here is the landforce for 0 until 5. So when the landforce is 0, there are just one situation, which is the 0 hurricane. The m also it will be equal to 0 because there are none hurricanes. And the landforce equal to 1, there's one hurricane and m equal to 1. There are just one situation because the hurricane equal to 1, the m also equal to 1 because just one hurricane. And when the landfall is equal to 2, yeah, when one hurricane and the m is equal to 2. And when two hurricane, the first hurricane will be m equal to 1 and the second hurricane will be m also equal to 1. And when there are three landfalls, yeah, when one hurricane, the m also equal to 3. And two hurricane, there are two situations, which is the first situation is the first hurricane will be m equal to 1, and the second hurricane will be m equal to 2. And the second situation is the first hurricane will be m equal to 2, the second hurricane will be m equal to 1. And same like when there are three hurricanes, each of them, the m will be equal to 1. So for the landforce of 4, yeah, same like the landforce of 3. Here also the 4, because just one hurricane. And when there are two hurricanes, there are three situations, which is the first situation is the first hurricane will be equal to 1, the second hurricane will be m equal to 3. And this is the m equal to 2, m equal to 2. And the third situation is first hurricane, m equal to 3, m equal to 1. So same with the 3, 4, we just do the same thing with the 5 landforce with h equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then next we need to find the probability of each when the h equal to 0 until 5. So for the landforce will be will be equal to 1. When h equal to 1, the m also equal to 1. So we just substitute the probability of m equal to 1. And then same with the when landforce equal to 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for there are two hurricanes. For here, they are m equal to 1, m equal to 1, right? So we just substitute the probability of m equal to 1 times 2. Is then like this. There are 3 situations. So we need to, first situation is the probability of m equal to 1 and plus multiply with probability of m equal to 3. And plus the probability of m equal to 2 multiplied with m equal to 2 plus probability of m equal to 3 times probability of m equal to 1. So we just sum that up. That is the probability of when h equal to 2 and there are the 4 length force. So we just do the same thing which is with other. Then we just can get this the probability of m lesser than 6 when given the h equal to h, which is when h equal to 0, we just sum for h equal to 0 for the length force, the total probability, just sum all this up. And h equal to 1, we just sum all this up. You can find the probability of each of them. So for the last, we just use this probability times with the probability of h, which when h equal to 0, we just use this probability times with h equal to 0, probability of h. When this the probability of m lesser than 6 when h equal to 2, we just time when the probability of h equal to 2. So we can get this label. Then we just sum for each of them, because this probability is probability of m equal to 0, probability of m equal to 1, probability of m equal to 2. We just sum that all out, we can get the probability of m lesser than 6. So because the question is asking for find the m greater or equal to 6, so we need to 1 minus for this probability. Then we can get the final answer. Yeah, so that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.